How to crop an image in Photoshop. This tutorial will show you how to crop an image in Photoshop. This tutorial assumes you already have your image open in Photoshop. Select the Crop tool. Now, click and drag diagonally to create a box around your selection. Now that we have our box, we can click and drag the borders to resize it. Once you are happy with your selection, press the Enter key to commit your changes. Our image has now been cropped. Now, we will go back to our original image and learn how to crop using the Marquee tools. Right-click the Marquee tool. The single row and column Marquee tools can be used in the same way as the rectangular Marquee tool. Select the rectangular Marquee tool. Now, click and drag diagonally to create a box like we did with the Crop tool. Note that we cannot resize these borders like we did with the Crop tool. Now that we have our selection, we will go to the Image menu. Select Crop. Now that we have our cropped image, we'll get rid of the marquee around the border. Right-click anywhere on the image. Click Deselect. Success! Our image is now cropped. Now we'll go back to our original image and learn how to crop in a circle. Right-click on the Marquee tool. Select the Elliptical Marquee tool. Now, click and drag diagonally just like before to create a selection. Note that you can hold down the Shift key while dragging to create a perfect circle. Now, we'll go to the Image menu. Select Crop. Photoshop only crops to squares, so we'll need to get rid of the remaining part outside of the selected circle. With the circle still selected, go to the Select menu. Click Inverse. Note that there's now a dotted line around the border as well. Press the Delete key. Another way to deselect the border is to press Ctrl+D. That's it! Our image is now cropped. This is the end of the tutorial. You now know how to crop an image in Photoshop using the Crop and Marquee tools.